Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Epson L6170 printer driver download. So you can see this first URL epsonsco.in, this official website. So you can download the driver and software and scanner software. Just single click to open. Scroll down, click on driver. So you can see the printer driver, printer scanner, printer driver. So this is latest. You just click to download. After that you can see open new tab. Just scroll down and I agree the software and licenses. Just click to download and it will start downloading. It will take some time depend about your internet speed and your system configuration. Then it downloaded, just single click to open and then click on yes. After that this driver is extracting. Then there are two options you can see here. Set default. If you want to printer installing it, set default, so check is, otherwise uncheck. System update automatically required this and click to OK. And then if you want to change the languages, you click to OK, then I agree and then click to OK. Now the driver is installing. So after that you can see there are three method to install. First, a network connection automatically detect net. Second, also network, you have to know about your printer IPs and you just enter this. And third is USB connections. So you, which both same, you know the search, you just click and then search. After that click to OK and then next it will detect your printer on the network and it will next to install. Okay, second also same. Third, via USB. So you have to install the via USBs to connect laptop to printer via printer USB cable. And then just click on next. And after that wait few seconds, it will detect a next. So it will complete it. After that just next to install and then restart your printer and your system also. If you are facing some issues, so please comment me, I will support you. Thank you.